Every minute, every hour, every day, and everywhere we look, we see ads. But do you know how many ads do you see in one single day? Dozens? Hundreds? Let me shock you. You see anywhere between 5,000 to 10,000 ads every single day. There is a tsunami of commercials, print ads, TV ads, radio ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. When you are exposed to thousands of ads every day, you naturally filter out the ads that have no context or relevance to you. As the result of which, the thousands of ads which someone spent days, nights and weeks trying to show to you, they go to waste. We are all browsing and scrolling at 50 miles per hour every day. Only when you see an ad which is so creative and outrageous that makes you stop your thumb is when you pay attention and you listen to what the ad has to say. And no matter the placement or the nature of these ads, each of these ads is trying to convince you to spend your money using words. That is the job of a copywriter. And in this course, you will learn how to catch people's attention and loosen their wallets using only your words. I'm going to teach you how to write the right words that make people stop and get them to do what you want them to do. Does that sound like a superpower? It really is. Hi, my name is Anish Raul and I'm a copywriter and a content creator. I have had a chance to work with some of the biggest brands in the space, including Netflix, Apple, OnePlus, MTV, and so on and so forth. And for these brands, I have created campaigns which have been recognized and awarded both on national as well as an international level, including the Cannes Young Lion shortlist. Over the length of this course, I'll be teaching you what makes a great copywriter, the communication process and how you can apply it for your copywriting, some essential principles, some do's and some don'ts. I'll introduce you to a copywriter's thought process, why art direction is as important as copywriting and how to work with art directors, and how can you keep up with this changing world and still create mind-blowing ads. I will also teach you the different types of advertising appeals that you can use to leave a lasting impression. In this course, I'm going to be sharing some tried and tested techniques to help you create advertising that matters. I will also be sharing some skills and secrets that I personally use when working with different brands through the day. So enroll now and let's get started.